Jelana, come here. Jelana, come here. Uy, Mikay, busy-busy ka. Hindi ka busy ngayon, Mikay. Si Edelisa nagbabalik ka. Edelisa, anong balita na? Bilis tumakbo. Si Edelisa, saan nagpunta si Edelisa? Nagbakasyon? Nagbakasyon kayo? Diyos may pagoda. Uy, hirap naman. Jelana, come here. Andulong Team Banner. Hello. Hello, sis. Jelana, come na. Ayoko pumunta doon. Maraming lamok. Ay. Dito tayo sa may arawan. Ayan. Jelana, come here. Hide here. They're coming. Jelana, they're coming. Come here. Hide. Over there. Hide there. Hide. Stay there. Stay there in the rock. In the rock. Oh, they're coming. Hide. Hide. Diyos ko, Lord. Ang hirap. Hirap tumawa pag may operasyon, guys. Diyos miss. Parang bubukas ang tiyan ko. Alas 7 ng gabi. Diyos me. Pinakamasakit yung ubuin ka. Diyos me, alas 7 ng gabi. Hide, hide. I know there's a lot of bugs. Oh, they're coming, Jelana. Go get the big rock.
We'll wait right here.
Oh. Where are they coming? Okay. Not yet. You need to follow them with the four-wheeler. You should tell Daddy. Yeah. That's a good idea, isn't it? Are they coming?
Should we go get him with the four-wheeler?
Yeah. Oh, they're coming. They're coming here.
Here. Watch out, Joe. Jade, Jelana, watch out. Don't run you over.
Jelana is there.
Oh, right there. Okay, you ready to go in? Should we get an our side by side and go shoot him?
Yeah.
No, let's get this one, the big one.
Yeah, the big one. No, I'm not going.
That one?
No, I'm not going, Anna. I can't do my belly. I cannot. I watch you. I think the side by side is better. The other one is better, honey. She's at the front.